Although the Yamaha R6 is a powerful and iconic supersport that has won many races, Yamaha decided to discontinue the R6. But you know what? They hit the drawing board and they came up with the all-new 2022 Yamaha R7. But can it replace the legendary R6? Stay tuned.
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
If you ride a motorcycle, make sure you wear the gear. And if you want to get my gear, like this ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet that comes with an auto tint shield, my motovlog camera, airbag vest, links to all of my gears in the description and comment section of this video. The Yamaha R6 has always been the most beautiful and powerful super sports on the planet and has won many races from the amateur ranks to the professional level. It is a proven track weapon. It doesn't have much bottom end power. Most of its power is at the top end of the RPM band with its inline 4 engine at 117 horsepower and 45 pounds-feet of torque. But Yamaha decided to discontinue it in 2020, at least its street legal version. So they hit the drawing boards and they came out with this new 2022 Yamaha R7 that borrows its twin engine from the Yamaha MT-07. And this engine produces 72 horsepower at 8750 RPM and 49 pounds-feet of torque at 6500 RPM. But this 689cc inline 2-cylinder CP2 engine with its 270-degree crankshaft delivers linear torque, exciting acceleration with little vibration, and it has good power throughout the rev range. It's supposed to be torquey, fun, lightweight, has a thin profile, and you can throw this bike around, have a good time at the track, but yet you can cruise out here on the street and enjoy its torque. However, you're probably not going to like riding it on the street for too long because it does have a super sport riding position much like the R6. It has clip-on bars and it has high foot pegs that's going to put you in a nice racing position at the track, but on the street you're not going to be too comfortable for long rides. But nobody buys these type of bikes for long cruises out here on the street. But I will tell you guys, this is an absolutely beautiful bike. I've talked a lot of crap about Japan making unattractive motorcycles. A lot, they make some good ones here and there, don't get me wrong, like the R6 has always been a beautiful bike. But this new R7, it is a good looking bike. It's thin, lightweight, it only weighs 414 pounds wet. However, the R6 only weighed 419 pounds wet, and it had an inline 4 engine. It was one of the lightest weight inline 4 engine super sports. Let's keep it real. This new R7 is not going to replace the Yamaha R6. No way, no how. That inline 4 that was on the R6 was powerful. Like I said, it has won many races from the amateur level to the professional ranks. So this new R7 is really a bike that you can take to the track and have a good time. Obviously, you're not going to be winning any races on it, but you're going to have a good time. And for us average Joes out here, this is perfect for us. Most of us are going to spend time out here on the streets, and that's where this R7 is going to shine because it has that torque. It's got more bottom end grunt than the R6 had. So you're going to be able to whip this little bike around town and enjoy its torque and quickness without doing felony speeds. Like I told you guys, the smaller bikes are more fun out here on the streets. And this new R7 is not only a beautiful, quick, torquey bike that'll be fun out here on the streets and track, but it has some great components with a 6-speed transmission with an all-new assistant slipper clutch. You can add an optional quick shifter for smooth and seamless up and down quick shifts. It's got a fully adjustable KYB front fork and shock. It's got Brembo brakes with dual 298mm front brake rotors. It has a full LCD instrumentation panel with gear position indicator, fuel gauge, average fuel economy clock, etc. It's got an adaptive bifunctional headlight, a 3.4 gallon tank, and supposedly it gets 58 miles per gallon and comes in at a svelte 414 pounds wet. And it comes in Team Yamaha Blue and Performance Black at a price of $8,999, which is in line with the Yamaha MT-09, but yet it has the engine from the MT-07, but the looks and riding position of the R6. Would you buy this? I don't know, guys. This could be the bike to get. However, I would probably grow tired of the super sport riding position for long rides out here on the street, like on my past super sports. But this could be a really cool bike to take out here for a quick 1 to 2, 3 hour ride, have fun out on the back roads, on the twisties. Yet you could take it to the track and have a good time on the bike. It looks beautiful. Oh man, I don't know. I think this is a pretty good buy. I think Yamaha knocked it out of the park with this, but let's not forget the R6, man. Please, Yamaha, bring back the R6. We need an R6 too. You can't eliminate that. I hope you bring that back. Or maybe you want to do an R9 with the MT-09's engine, because I really love that engine. That was a really powerful, torquey engine. Oh no! And to put it into maybe a super sport package, that could be pretty cool too. So I don't know. Keep the cool bikes coming, Yamaha. Keep it real with me, guys. Would you buy this new Yamaha R7? What do you think about it? Do you think it's better than the R6? Would I buy one? I don't know, man. I think this could be a pretty cool bike. I mean, it's lightweight. You can throw it around. It's got that twin engine. Yeah, I love that on the MT-07. The sound of that twin on that bike is cool. So when you throw an aftermarket exhaust on this new R7, it's going to sound awesome. I don't know, man. This could be really cool. It's already sold out on the website, so you can't actually put an order in for one. But in the future, when they start making more of these, if they do make more of these, I don't know. This could be the bike to get out here. But like I said, guys, obviously you're not going to be able to do long rides on this bike out here on the street. But then again, this is the bike you want to be riding out here on the twisties, not the liter bikes. You know, not the other super sports. You want this bike that's not too powerful, but it's quick and torquey. So leave that comment, like, subscribe, and comment. But anyways, guys, leave a comment. Let's talk about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my All Over Motorcycle channel. Make sure to check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto. Deuces. Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.